Solve the equation. Decide whether the equation is a conditional equation, an identity, or a contradiction. X divided by 3 plus 7 equals 5x divided by 6 minus 2 minus x divided by 2 plus 9. To begin this problem, we want to multiply both sides by the LCD, which is 6. So we simply put parentheses around here, write a 6, parentheses around here, and write a 6. We now distribute the 6 on each side. 6 times x divided by 3. 3 divides into 6 twice, so we get 2x. 6 times 7 is plus 42. On the right-hand side, 6 times the 5x over 6. 6 divides into 6 and is equal to 1, so we get 5x. 6 times 2 is 12, so minus 12. 6 times the negative x over 2. 2 divides into 6 3 times, so we get minus 3x. And 6 times 9 is plus 54. The left-hand side is simplified as it can be. On the right-hand side, however, we can combine 5x minus the 3x, and that gives us 2x. On the right-hand side, we can also combine the negative 12 plus the 54, which is equal to plus 42. So we have 2x plus 42 equals 2x plus 42. At this point, you may recognize what's happening, but in the event that you don't, the next step would be to subtract 2x from each side, and that would combine the x's on one side, and at the same time subtract 42 from each side, which would then get the constant terms together. On the left-hand side, everything sums to 0. On the right-hand side, everything sums to 0. So you can see that what we have here is a true statement, and what that tells us is the solution set is the set of all real numbers. And what we have here is an identity. And as I mentioned, if you look back up at 2x plus 42 equals 2x plus 42, they are clearly identical. You could have stopped there to realize that it is an identity. All real numbers is the solution set.